How to remove Meta AI from Messenger. If any day any of you are the very Messenger user and you would like to remove the Meta AI from your very Messenger but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Messenger application on your mobile device. After you find the very Messenger application, you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now you have to tap on the option of notifications here and enable allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. Now you have to go down and then tap on the option of storage. Here, if you see the option of the very clear cache, you have to tap on the clear cache. Again, when you see the option of clear the data, you also need to go to the option of clear the data and then go back again. And after going back, you have to tap on the messenger like this and then go to the option of uninstall and you have to uninstall the very messenger application. After uninstalling the very messenger application, now what you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store application on your mobile device and then here you have to search the messenger and afterwards install the very messenger application on your mobile device, and this way the remove Meta AI will be done from the messenger. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.